All right, so I want to walk you guys through how to schedule emails in Gmail through your Gmail account. So I have two windows set up because I don't want you to see my emails, honestly. But just to show you the two-step process, what you need to do first is go to mail.google.com or however you get to your Gmail on a browser, and you're going to just select Compose, okay? And once you hit Compose, you're going to have your window set up with your new message. I've made this big so you can doesn't see all my emails. But you're going to put your subject, you're going to type out your email, and next you're just going to come down here. So the send button has this arrow, more send options. You're going to hit that, and here is the schedule send button. So we'll click this. Just add. Okay, so schedule send, and I can choose these popular times, or I can pick a date and time myself. So today is Sunday. If I wanted to send out on Tuesday, actually, October 14th at, let's say, 4:30 p.m. and I would hit schedule send, and that is now a scheduled message. So yeah, super easy to get that set up. I hope this helps, guys. If it does, if you could, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.